The thing is, level in our Anaplan nothing but simply we can say like dimension wise. If you have level G3, G1, G2, G3 level, so that comes under the level which hierarchy wise you are calculating, that is level wise. So how it will show means, I will share my screen, how we can show the levels. So today few members are there, what is the problem? Others I am not getting. If I open any module here, so we can see here we have revenue 03 margin calculation module we have here. So are you able to see my screen first of all?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yes, fine. Then what is levels mean? So if I keep my dimensions in this way, if I select here, if we select any list item, we need to click on this right click, simply select level to show. This is the what is the dimensions we are using here? G3 location and P2 products we are using. Select levels nothing but, so do you want at G3 level data, do you want G2 level data, do you want G1 region only data, do you want only summary levels? We have selected all the things, so that is the reason you can see G1 level summary, we can see G1 region details, you can see individually, G2 country details you can see, we can see G3 locations wise all the details, all the levels we can see. So that is the advantage. If I remove this one, all this hierarchies if I disable, what happened? I can see the only summaries, all regions, new job are only, all region new, each and every product, all regions, how much revenue will get, that only we can see. So again, if you want different levels, reselect levels. I want only region level, I don't want region summaries and region levels I want. So in that scenario you can see, so all regions how much revenue you are getting you can see, and each and every region wise how much you are getting data, that as well you can see. So in this way we can level nothing but hierarchy wise, whatever the hierarchy I want only, I don't want any summaries here. Yes.
Yes, in simple words, it is a view only. View with the hierarchy.
Yes, yes, right? Yes, view of hierarchy wise.
It's a view only.
Yes.
Okay.
So in this way we can select a different hierarchy wise, and we can in saved view we can create some views, and so whatever the view we want we can select that levels and we can save that one, so that we can see only that data. Unwanted data we can't see. If on the base of requirement we can see nothing, but if you want all the details we can see, we show all the levels, and if you don't want any level we can miss that level, we can view the summary, that is nothing but level. Even we can see other options we have, like show all we know, hide, show, these are the things we know. Column settings we know, so if you have column width is less, you can increase or decrease here, so that option we have. And even you can see conditional formatting already we have applied in 12th lesson, you can click on here as well, and you can click here as well, so we can click. and we can apply rule whatever we have earlier we have seen. So this comparison option is like it compares the different versions, what is the actual version and what is the forecast versions. So later we'll see this one. So these are the different functions we'll get the, if you click this comparison button and if you select the versions, it will get the comparison version, present versions to previous version, you will get the comparison details. So in this way these are the different functionalities we have. So already we know this one, copy down and copy across, and this is a filter. So we can see here like sorting whatever the totals we have, whatever the values we want on the base of increasing or decreasing wise. So here you can see, so this one is the totals, where do you want totals. We can see here totals, sometime we'll get all like parent details will get bottom. If you want top, in that scenario you can totals I want before values, then I will get the totals at top level, I will get on top, I will get total, and under the total I will get the sub values. So on the base of our requirement, generally we'll keep totals bottom only, we don't keep generally on top. So whatever the values we have, total value you will get the bottom. You can see here US value, we can see here locations values. For example, if you see all the countries values here, locations are location details, you can see here the country detail, you can see total country detail, you can see here. In this way we can generally totals we select at bottom only. So these are the different features we have here. I hope everyone is clear this one. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Okay, fine. So I hope everyone is clear. So we can see here next activities we have in 13th lesson, we have remaining activities we need to do. So yesterday we have completed till if I click on this models, so I can go to my pages. So some as we are doing 2-3 members in one workspace, so while creating the margins, while creating these pages, we should create margin summary page 1 2 3. Like I have created margin summary here. If someone want to create with same name, you can't create with same name margin summary page. You should create margin summary 2 3 4, like that you can create. Otherwise margin summary with our name we should create, so that it will be differentiate. Is it clear how we should create differentiate with our pages?
Yes.
Otherwise if we want create same page with with same name, it Anaplan doesn't take.
These pages will come under apps, Asif.
Pages, my pages directly will get here. In apps also we have pages, but in trial period we have in my pages directly we can see here.
No, I'm looking from the conceptual point, like hierarchy. So under apps the pages will come, or
Yes, under the
apps
apps also we have pages. Apps nothing but
so those pages,
that is a group of pages, that's it. Apps nothing but the group of pages. Apps, my pages are the individual pages, that's it.
so if suppose we created some my pages, can we move these all these my pages to under one app?
You can send, but in trial version you can't do anything. You can't use even my pages here, we don't have access here. In real time you can do it. If I try to open my pages apps, we don't have access for this one. You currently know, you currently have no apps, so please try to contact page builder. So generally in trial period what happened, they will provide only my pages only. So we can bring, we can move wherever we want. So we have one option here. Ayan, what about this Sudhir, Faiz, Arshad Ahmed? Did you contact them? Ayan, what happened?
Yes, Fine, sir. They will join in 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, Sudhir is joined. Sudhir, once check our guys.
Okay, sir.
We can see here margin summary page, top right side we can see here three dots. So here we will get move option, and what are the sources we are using, each and everything we can see here if you click here. So source, if you want to source, change source, everything we can see here. Only in trial version we are not getting, only few details we are getting, but in real time we'll get more options here. So moving and copying page and everything we will get here. So that are the options we can use in real time. So this is the basic page we have created yesterday, margin summary page. So we need to create other pages as well now. So we can see we have completed till this activity 13.66. So we need to continue remaining activities, and so we have earlier created just a board. So now we'll create the worksheet here. So regarding worksheet we do activity. So what is the difference between the board and worksheet we can see here. Create another volume entry input saved view. So we need to create here volume entry UX page. One more thing here. So here we'll create the we need to, before creating worksheet, we'll create some saved views here. So same thing whatever we have done yesterday, we need to do here as well. So here we need to create future period saved view. We need to create here. In revenue 0 to volume inputs module, I need to create this saved view. Then I need to go here. So I need to open revenue 0 to volume input module. I need to create this saved view. Future periods you can see, we can select this one. So after creating saved view, I can see here as well. After creating each and every saved view, you can see under the revenue volume inputs, future saved view just now I have created here. I can select this one. If I don't want go anywhere, simply I can select here. In this saved view, I can do whatever the changes I want. So what are the changes they are asking? We can see here. So pivot the module. In pages we should have G3 location list and line item should be there, and time it should be there in column, and in rows we should have product list. So simple thing, just we need to interchange these products here and line items here. So everything is perfect other than this one. So we can see here earlier, if we select the levels, so we can see here we have selected everything. P2 product family level you can see, P1 product family level we can see here. So these levels nothing but you can see already we have selected with the, here we are not able to select here. So we can see here the two levels. So that is the reason. So we have selected two levels. That is the reason we can see here. If I select only one level, I can see only one thing here, any one thing. So that is the advantage we have. So if you want only summary level, we can select at that time only any product. So any one thing we can select, either P2 product level or either P1 product family level. If I want to see the data, I can see. So after creating this saved view, what is our next instruction? So add filter to show only forecast periods. We need only forecast periods here. We don't want actual details. So again same procedure. We should click on time and we should apply the filter. How we should apply the filter? Yes, where should I go?
System settings.
System 0 time setting, forecast period. Forecast months or periods, which one they are asking to select? Forecast periods. So forecast periods I have selected here. By clicking OK, simply I can see the forecast data. I can't see actual data. 2019 details I can't see here. I can see only 2020 and 21 details. So I have completed this saved view here. Then we can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. So by selecting New York and volumes, we can check the values here. How much we are getting January, new job or product details, how much I am getting. New York and volumes for new job or January 2020, I am getting 298. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Perfect. So we can go ahead. So by each and every activity, please try to check everyone, each and every activity, then only you go ahead. Otherwise what happening, you are stuck somewhere in middle, so we can't find that problem so that much easily. We need to drill down from where we are getting the data, each and everything we need to understand. So we need to do the drill down whatever I have shown function. If we should click on right click, we should click on that cell, right click, and then we can drill down the cell from where we are getting data, we can see. So that will be somewhat lengthy process, but before that we should confirm each and every answer here before going to another activity. So create volume entry page here. So same here we are creating volume entry page by selecting the worksheet here. So we need to create another new page here. We don't use that one, board sheet. So here we create new page. We should select worksheet and volume entry page we are selecting here. Already someone is created, I think, volume entry. So that is the reason volume entry 1 or 2. So we'll check what happened. If someone is created, will not get it, doesn't take, otherwise it will take. So create here. Yes. So no one is created here. You can see here volume entry page, same workspace as level 1 model building. Everything is we have completed. Just we can check. So this is the we can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. This is the perfect whatever we have done. So we can go for the next activity. So after confirming this one, we need to go add primary grid volume to entry page here. Add primary grid to volume entry page. So we can see here, select data source, click on configure grid first of all. So we can see here, we should click on configure grid first of all here. Then select module views. So which source we should take? Select saved, use saved module view and created whatever we have created just now in revenue 02 volume input module future periods. We need to select that one. So in under the revenue 02, we can see future periods whatever we have created. That one we should select here. Then we should click on update. Then we can see here add filter to show only. Yes, this is for the custom view. We should not do. We have two options here. We can select the direct saved view whatever we have created just now. Otherwise, you in custom view, if you go to custom view, what happened? whatever the things we have done in saved view, same things we need to do in the custom view. Yesterday we have done. In that way we can do this one. If we want to do, we can do this one as well. So everything is same procedure, but we need to do directly in UX pages if you use the custom view. So if you create the saved views, what happened, we'll do that one in backend and we'll publish here directly. Both the options we have here. So then we can see grid tab, we can see allow edit list item should be off, enter edit cell data should be on, pivot data should be on. So it's available for the only custom use. So we should first of all go to our grid tab. So what is the title? First of all we need to check the title as well. So what is the title we should give here? We don't have any title here, so we can see directly go to grid tab. Click on grid tab. Edit list item should be off or on. What it should be? Edit list item should be off, enter and edit cell data should be on. So pivot data should be on for the custom view. We don't have that option here. Why we can't see this one, pivot data? So this is the not custom view, we are using saved view here.
Already created view here.
Yes. So we can see we should turn on edit cell data and everything. We should retain default setting. We should not do anything initially. So in chart context tab, we should go context tab. Hierarchy filter should be off here. Time hierarchy filter should off and retain other default setting. We should not do anything here. Just check that's it. Go to context tab here. So P2 hierarchy filter should be off. Yes, it is already off. Time hierarchy filter should off. Already it is off. We should not do anything. Just we need to check. So adjust context selector option for the pages. So we can see here adjust context selector option for the pages. G3 location context selector retain default setting. Select label for the line item context selector setting. Click gear icon next to the volumes to change the settings. So what should we do in context selector? G3 location context selector should be same. Select label for the line items. You can see where we have G3 location. You can see here. So for line item, what should we do? For line items,
Label.
yes, we should keep the label. Here it should be selector only. Here in line items we should label, we should keep here label. So everything is perfect. Just we need to keep here line items label. That's it. We should not do anything here. Then we should publish our page to save our changes whatever we have done so far. So just simply we need to close this card and publish the page. Then we need to compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. So yes, is it perfect whatever we have done? So we have here different products we have, and here we have location and volume line item. We should check these things. So location and volume line item we have here, different product detail we have, and in columns we have time and volume we can see here. Is it perfect? Yes. So why we have kept
Yes.
this line items labels means, why we don't keep here label What is mean by label means, if I put here selection, so I can select different things and I can check each and every area wise. I can see the volume here, what is the volume, and each and every product how much we have sold. But volumes we have only one line item in revenue 02. So if I keep selector here, can I select other than volume if I have only one line item?
No,
Yes.
no.
Is there no use of if I keep even though selector or label? So that is the reason we don't keep. If we keep any selection option, end user will get confused. They will try to do select some different one as well. Like if I select here different locations, different I will get the different value. So they will select, even try to, if we have, they think that we have here 2-3 line items if I keep selector here. So that is the reason we should keep here label. So is it perfect whatever we have done? Yes.
Yes, yes, Asif, but what is the basic difference between worksheet and board?
So
The
what
steps
is
are
the
same
yes?
almost.
So what is the basic difference means? So you can see, we have here side panel. You can see here side panel we can see. So we don't have any side panel in board. Whatever, if you have entire page you can see here directly. So side panel we don't have. And one more thing, in worksheet, in board we have inserted three cards we have inserted. Here if I want to try to insert one more card, I can't insert here. You can see, if I want to drag and drop, I can't insert in worksheet. In worksheet I can only insert one page, that's it, one card, any one card.
One card, yeah, one card for one worksheet.
Yes, that's it. So if I want to insert more cards, what should I do? In this side panel I can insert. So it will looks very like, for instruction purpose it will get used, that's it. Other than that one, nothing we can do here. So but in board what happened, you can use multiple cards. Generally we use board for the reporting purpose. For analyzing purpose we use this one. So worksheet we use. So that is the major difference. Side panel it doesn't consist
But
board. Yes.
from
Side
user
panel it,
perspective,
yes.
how it will be like two different things.
Yes, yes. So
Yes, yes.
mostly we use board.
Okay.
So anyway, these are the two major differences we should understand. So we can add only one card in worksheet, and this consists the side panel, and in board we can add multiple cards and we don't have any side panel. So and for reporting purpose we use board, and for large data analyzing purpose worksheet. These are the major three differences. Try to understand and try to remember. So if we explain these three differences, it will be enough, so they can understand. And one more thing, like we have one activity I think. So
What are pages types?
yes,
What are pages types?
pages,
Something. Types. Type. T-Y-P-E. Type.
pages type, this board, worksheet and reporting pages, these only three types. We can see here only two types in trial period. So in real time you can see one more extra. So that is the board, worksheet and reporting pages, that's it.
Okay.
These are the different page types we have. So we can go for the next activity, like add. We have added this one, add line chart to the volume entry page. So we can add line chart to volume entry page. So we can see here, if I want to add line chart, where can I add? Where can I add here? In side panel only I can add. I can't add in main page. So that is the thing we can see here. Under the additional insight, select add card to this page, then click configure, add chart card to inside panel. So drag and drop. Then what should we do? Select data source, module views, revenue volume inputs, and chart UX saved view we should take. So same we can see here. If I want to add one more card, we should click on insert. Edit symbol we should click. We can see configure. Here we can see, we can click configure, and I need to take chart card. They are asking to keep here chart card. Then we should click on configure chart. Then which data source we should take? They are asking to take revenue 02 chart UX. This one we should take. So then what are the other instructions you can see? Revenue 02 volume input chart UX we should take. Title should be forecast volume by month. Forecast volume by month we should take title. Description we don't want to give any description, and chart type should be line. So you can see chart type should be none, everything we should keep none, and chart tab we should not do anything. Context tab, so in context tab we should synchronize with the page on. Show on card should be off. So G3 location context tab we can see here, and we can see this one. Chart tab we don't want to do anything, but still if we want to change any color, we can change according to whatever they are showing, whatever the color they are showing. If we want to select, we can select that one. So just for to look similar, I am selecting. So we can, they are not giving this color. Which color it will suit here? I think this will. Is it correct? It is not correct, but still whatever the color we want we can select, not a problem. So after selecting color, in context tab what they are expecting we can see here. So in G3 location what they are expecting, so synchronize on page selection should be on, show on card should be off. So what is the difference here? So synchronize on page selection should be up, synchronize with the, this one is fine. In show on card should be, you can see here we don't want any selector. So what is this? We can see here what are the different dimensions we have. New York and raising the bar. So if I select here G3 location, so I can see here G3 location New York. If I keep off, we can't see anything here. On the base of their requirement we should do. On card they don't want anything, so that is the reason we should turn off the selections. So we should turn off this one, show on card. So for P2 product, synchronize with page, they want show on card should be selector here, P2 product. So for P2 product, here we should keep selector. So we can see each and every product we can select, how much we are selling that product we can see here. So that is the reason they are asking to turn on this one. So time hierarchy filter should be off, and retain other default setting. We can see here, so time hierarchy filter should be off. Why we are each and every time we are keeping time hierarchy filter off here? Are you getting any doubt?
because it is already showing the forecasting periods.
We are showing already this forecast period. If I turn on this one, what happened, we can see how it makes us
Doesn't
problem.
make sense.
I can see only January month here. So each and every month on the selection of that month we can see that data on this line item. So on whatever this chart we are trying to select, even while doing this chart as well, why we didn't turn on hierarchy filter means, so if I turn on, already I am showing all data like 2 years data. If I select this hierarchy filter on, what happened, simply whatever the, it will give option to select like this New York or whatever it. So on the base of the selection it will get the data. But in this card, what is the view we have? Entire 2 years data we need. Again we are, if we select only 1 month data I want, so is it does it make sense if I do that one? Yes. So it
No.
doesn't make sense. So that is the reason we are not doing that one. We want entire data, entire time period data. We don't want any particular data here. So how it is happened, we can see here. Even for new job or also we are not selecting here. Why? Already new job or we have taken in the column. Why we are taking here selection means, so in rows we can see the different product, each and every product, each and every month sales I can see. But at a time we can show rows and column, two things we can show. And if I want to third dimension, what should I do? I can select different product, different location wise, what is the what is the product sales, and each and every month we can see. So we need to understand this one, how we will do doing this one. So only we are giving selection for the location. Why means, why we are not giving product selection means, already we can see entire all product details we can see. Why do we need to select any one product here? So here why we need to select means, at a time we can see the only one location detail. So on the base of selection I can see the different location details, how much we are selling each and every location wise we can see here by selecting. So this is the process. So we need to publish this page. So we have published this one. We can compare our answer with screenshot of learning center. So everything is perfect, whatever we have done. You can see product we are selecting, on the base of selection we are getting the product value. So everything is perfect. Next we need to add one instruction here. Chart tab we are using here. So we can see here, view and update unit volume projection by the, this instruction I want to give. If I want to give instruction, what should I do? Yes.
Use condition.
So text card we should use, that's it. So we need to add text card here. So again simply we can click here and add text card. We need to use, and we need to give the instructions here. So if I want to configure, I should click here. Once again I need to click text card here. I need to drag and drop, configure text card. Then whatever the body I want to give, I can give here. You can see here, text title should be instructions, body should be this one. We should give this one as a body. View and update unit volume projections by the product. Select an individual location if you want to enter the data. Update the chart by clicking on the row on the grid. Whatever the instruction we want to give, we can give here. So what is the title? Title should be instructions here. We can see here, text tab style should be normal, alignment should be left, text color should be blue. So then what should we do? So simply we should select this one, data. So if I want to give color, color should be blue. So then I should select blue color, and alignment should be left. So we can click here, left alignment I want. If I want to center, I can do center as well. So whatever the thing I want. So if we want adjust, we can adjust this one as well. So in this way we can adjust. So left we have text color, we have given blue, everything. Decrease the height of text card inside panel but no scroll bar. So we need to keep as possible as small. So we can bring this much only, we can't bring more. So we can see it should not, we should clearly we should read the instruction. So that is our main intention. So yes, so then we need to publish our page. Yes, so before doing anything, if you want to do preview also, you can check preview. So if everything is perfect, then we should go for the publish. So before doing anything, before saving any changes, if you want to click on preview also, you can do this one. So is it perfect whatever we have done here? Is there anything need to change here? Yes.
Yes.
So you can see confirm layout, nothing but we are giving total thing. So at a time, at one place they are providing everything here. Exit designer mode. So you can see normal position, you can see here. Is it perfect whatever we have done here? Is there anything do we need to do here? You can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Yes. So it is perfect, nothing we need to do.
If you create the
So
pages and everything, where it is saved?
yes,
Where it is saved the pages?
just we need to
If you are
publish the
creating,
thing, that's it. If you publish the thing,
yeah,
it will get saved.
yeah, where it is saved? If you want to again recollect,
Again, if you want to edit, you can see pencil symbol, edit symbol, you can see whatever the thing we
No,
want.
he is asking where it got saved. Suppose you exit
where it
this
is.
window
Abhi,
completely.
so right now, right, we are creating the
You
number
want
of
to close everything and reopen
pages.
it.
Yeah,
Everything, if I want to exit designer mode, where I have means in my pages we have here this one, you can see. If I come my pages, simply I can see everything. If I am closing here,
if you are creating model, we'll go to the model bar setting and we'll see the model. Right.
array model, in model only you can see
No, it's not
here
model.
in top left you can see my pages. If I click on my
See my
pages,
pages.
I will get the pages option. I can create here pages, create the page option,
These are the
I can
pages.
see here.
Parliamentary and margin
It's
summary.
under pages only, my pages.
I can create here pages, board or worksheet, whatever the thing I can create here. So in this way we can do. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Here in this one we have completed this one. So here everything is we have completed. So optionally one activity they are giving, you can do that one optionally they are providing. So if you have any doubt, here we can ask, otherwise we can wrap up our session. Do you have any doubt here, anyone? And I want updates from everyone. So did you complete each and everyone up to yesterday's activities?
Yes, I am done.
Okay, what about others?
I am yet to complete.
Okay, Murli,
I need to start 13 lesson.
okay, try to complete as soon as possible. So,
Okay, okay.
Otherwise you will get stuck